welcome back to my channel, Zero Kimberly. So today I decided to do a hairstyle because it's time for me to do a hairstyle. I'm getting a little tired of doing reviews, so I want to do something more like myself that I like to do tutorials. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be using this black little bun that I got a long time ago. I did a video on how to put a perfect bun on my channel, so if you guys want to go check that out, put it down below so you guys can check it out. But today I'm going to be reusing it again. So this bun, and I got myself like a water bottle and a brush. And this is my favorite. I like to use Ussie, the Instant Freeze, because this Ussie works perfectly on my hair. Mousse doesn't work on my hair, so I don't use this one. And I have this little Christmas penguin where I put all my bobby pins in here, so I'm going to be using bobby pins. So that is what I'm going to use. And okay, so I did this hairstyle the other day and I love how it turned out, and I want to share it with you guys. So if I'm facing here, so I have my mirror here. So okay, so the first thing, I'm going to comb this hair because this hair is the worst hair I could have. So I'm just gonna brush it lightly, just not too much because it gets really poofy, and yeah, I don't like that. Okay, so I'm gonna wet my hair just to tame the flyaways because I have so many. It's like crazy. I'm just gonna do that. Now I'm gonna use the bobby pins I'm gonna do this differently because I like how it looks. So I'm just gonna go like that, and I'm gonna put a little bit of hairspray, just a little bit, not too much. This thing always gets stuck. Oh, okay. Alright, there you go. Just tame it. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna do like little twisties on top here. Sorry about that, my camera died, so I'm charging it right now. So anyways, where I left off is I did this part down here, and now I'm gonna do some more over here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair. Tie the rest of my hair into a ponytail. And just add water so all the flyaways go away. Okay. I'm just going to tie it to a bun, like a ponytail, like that. So you're going to do something like this. This is what it's going to look like. Now I have short hair, so I have to brush it so I can make it long, because that's the type of hair that I have. Like that.
Now I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray on the back. It just doesn't. My God, this hairspray it's sticky.
Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna grab our donut bun, and we're gonna slide it in here like that. And the hair, you're just going to tip your head, and you're just going to cover the bun with your hair. When you think it's all nice and covered, you're going to grab another elastic, and that's gonna go in the bun like that. I hope I'm doing this right. Like that. So it's gonna go something like that. Now, what you're gonna do is you're just going to, you know, cover the whole bun with, now I have a little bit of hair, but that's okay. It still covers it. So, yeah, I'm just gonna cover it like that. And now the remaining hair that is like around it, you're just going to bobby pin it. Okay, so after I'm done and it looks nice and I like how it looks, I'm gonna go ahead and loose the twisties on the fronts so they're not too tight, like that. And I'm also filming with my Amco camera. If you guys have any questions about this camera, feel free to comment below anything you want to know about this camera. So okay, so this is how it looks. I just I just loosen up the fronts because it doesn't look kind of like weird or anything. And for the whole set, the whole hairstyle, we're going to put more hairspray so we don't have any flyaways. Now this hairspray is really like hard, so let's just spray. Oh my god, what the heck? Okay. And spray the bottom and spray the bun as well so the little flyaways will go away. Do that. Alright. And we are done with our hairstyles. Let me get a little close up so you guys can see the hair. Okay, so here's the bun. Here's the twisties, and this is what it looks like, so you guys can check it out. It is super easy, super cute. I like how it turned out. You have a little twisties on the front so it just doesn't look flat. You can also do like a little puff on the front so it doesn't look weird. I love this bun. You can find these buns like Sally's or Walmart. I've seen at Walmart little small ones. There's the huge ones as well. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys have questions about the Amco camera, you know, once again, feel free to comment below and I would love to answer your questions. And if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because I'm almost there. I think I need like about 2 more. So subscribe, and also push that notification bell so you guys will miss none of my videos. Sorry I haven't been, you know, uploading, but now I am. If you guys want me to do another review on the cameras, on the Canon camera, the Amco camera, comment below. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a beautiful, nice day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.